What is up? It's currently the next day, and I'm finna go do an oil change. So, yep, I'm finna go run to the store right quick, grab the oil, and yeah, my phone just dropped. But I'm probably gonna finish the vlog. After I do that oil change, I'm gonna finish that vlog and then start a new one for sure. Gosh, I'm always over here by the accidents and stuff. But that's crazy. But yeah, it's the next day, and we're gonna do my oil change, and then we're gonna do car oil change. The big lifted truck, the black one. But yeah, so I can stop making that noise, and yeah. But I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Let me focus on this road. Got the oil filter, and now it's time to hit the course. Oh, I know what I was gonna tell y'all. Well, Jimmy, remember how I told y'all Jimmy went back to West Virginia and he had to get some of his stuff back? Well, he visited his old shop. It's like another work. It's like these two cars they won't ever sell. First one is a 300ZX twin turbo, all original. When I say all original, everything on that car is all original, twin turbo model. It look exactly like my car, the same wing and all, and it has like 12,000 miles, well 16,000 miles on it. And the guy, like his dad just found the car, and he was like, he just put it on his showroom floor or whatever. And so when his dad passed away, he wasn't gonna never sell that car. I mean, that car is brand spanking new, interior and all that. That's really rare to find a 300 like that, especially on the road. It's really rare. And I was so sick because he was like, Jimmy asked, like, you know, how much he was gonna sell it for, how much would he sell it for. He was like, maybe what it's worth in 15 years, meaning, in other words, he won't sell it. He's not gonna sell that car. And I was like so sick when I seen the picture. It's like literally clean. Like up under it, Jimmy said, it's basically everything's clean, like on short, like kept like basically like a person up in the building, treated in the building. This is on the showroom floor, and it has, and I think it was the 35th. I think the last one made, it said on the badge. I had to get a picture. If I can get a picture, I'll post it up on both of the cars. But Jimmy drove that car. He drove the Trans Am, but the 300ZX, they wouldn't drive that car for nothing. They drove it. Only time they drove is like to bag it in on the showroom floor, or something like that. Yeah, bag it in on the showroom floor, or drive it, you know, off the showroom floor. But I was so sick when I heard that. And then the last Trans Am ever made. Imagine that. Imagine you have a car like that, all original. And Jimmy did the tune on that car too. I think it's the GM. I forgot what it's called. Jimmy told me twice. I still forgot. But it's crazy. It's crazy. Man, somebody living in a trail of smoke. That's not good. But yeah, I mean, it's all original, both cars, and he won't sell both. He won't sell none of them. Them the only two cars he won't sell. And if he do sell them, I can expect the price to be kind of high, because the Trans Am, I forgot, I think he only has like 20,000 miles, I think. I just made a call over here. Here you go up. You want to carry a bowl of soup. No, what about, got the trailer back here? Okay then, that's a big boy truck. Look at it, he dumped all that soup out. Well, I'm gonna get you, boy. Or they're dumping that soup out like that.
That's lame.
Y'all burn up. Y'all burn up Christmas Christmas wrap. What you call it?
Huh?
Christmas y'all burn up Christmas wrap. The little wrapping paper.
I don't know what that is.
Yeah, that's the what y'all burn that up for? Y'all think one Christmas.
I ain't said shit.
Yeah. That y'all still boy, that's still going?
Shit, I got scared.
You trip, boy, you gonna start a fire. Pow!
What?
Ain't nowhere to run to. You ain't scared of the dog. He stuck on the other pole. You on camera. Be quiet now. Yeah. What? I ain't, dude.
Grease.
You open it. I don't mess my fingers up. Shit say it up here. But it's not no diesel engine. Too bad. Yeah. We didn't check his oil and see what type of oil he needs to take. You good?
Huh?
You good? Yeah, let it go one time. Alright, yeah, just move your truck up over here. Just move your truck up over here so I can change the oil in my car. Yeah, just move it right here.
Oh, right there?
Yeah. Wait, you gonna roll down or something?
Huh?
You gonna roll down or something? We're going to the house now. Cold start. Well, by the looks of it, looked like I had to take off my paper clips. Not the paper. I said paper clips. Other clips off for the plastic piece to drop the whole the plastic cover from the bottom, and yeah, car bringing the jack. So yeah, I don't think I ever show y'all this. Yeah, it's a little something. Small throttle body. I don't know if I can see that. See that boy. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all in a minute. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. The car. All on the ground. Pow! You fold it up. You some doo-doo flying on here. Well, I gotta take this cover off. And that's a flathead, dude.
Huh?
That's a flathead.
I know.
I said Phillip head. And it's like one. I don't know how many. You tripping, Carl? Yeah. It like how many? Oh, it's 2 Phillip head. 3, 4.
Yeah, that.
4 of them. One right there, one right here, one right there, and one back there, right there. And I gotta take them out, and I probably can get to the oil. And yeah, let me see. I never been up under here, so yeah. What? I give it. I bet. What?
Can I say something?
Say something.
Like being underneath the car the first time, it's like the first time you had sex, you know.
Boy, if you don't.
It's kind of like an emotional time. Like my truck, you know. First time being underneath her. It's so emotional. This one.
Now I want to know that. Well, I got the 4 screws off. And put them right there. Now we gotta get them others. I think it's another 4 set of screws over there. Phillip head. There's one back there. See? One back right there. A little black.
Way back. Oh, right there.
Yeah, back there.
Alright.
Carl get that side. I get this side. Teamwork make the dream work. Why you say it like that, dude?
Come underneath the car. That shit was easy. Shit. Oh, I ain't on it. Shit.
Yeah, I told you. Look at that. Just taking that off. Now I hate Packer. Look at that. Took my whole hand up. I got the oil out though. Beautiful. Beautiful. Dang, it don't drain out fast. Ain't had that much oil in it.
For real? You know what? You're supposed to come get a curve real quick.
You stop it. Alright, so I got that off, the oil filter. And now it's time to go with the new filter. I'm gonna try the K&N air filter. Well, I said air filter. The oil filter I meant. But I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Ricardo and Paul going to the store to change, so we can change his oil in his truck. And yeah. Whew, what a day. But I'll catch up with y'all in a minute. Alright, my battery's finna die, boy. I got the oil in and stuff. Letting it circulate. And yeah, your boy finna call in tonight. And go get ready to go hang out with him. Hang out with my boy Ricardo now. They back there. And Carlo that changed his oil in his truck. But if you new, hit the subscribe button for your boy, and if you're not new, hit that thumbs up button and share this. But y'all know the deal. Be a dream chaser, man. Be a dream chaser. And your boy is out.